children, how are you? I think you all are fine. Okay. Now, the whole world is going through a very big problem. It is a very big problem, the coronavirus. Because of this reason, we all are staying at our home. Okay. And this is the only solution. If you stay at home and you maintain distance, you will be safe. Okay. Now, because we all are staying at home and all the schools are closed, so we have started choosing this type of way of this way of studying, that is online way of studying. I will teach you, I will send you videos, I will send some worksheets. You will sit at home and you will solve it by yourself at home. Okay. Now, otherwise it will be too late to finish our syllabus. When the school will start, it will be too late to finish our syllabus. Okay. Now, I will teach you class 2. I will teach you English grammar, and the first chapter that you have in English grammar is the English alphabet. You all have your books. You can take out your books and see. The first chapter is English alphabets. Okay. Now, in English alphabet, now what we will learn first? See, when we speak, we make different type of sounds, isn't it? When we speak, when we try to say something, we make different type of sounds. Again, with mouth. Now, when we write different types of sign. We write different types of what? Sign. And this sign is known as letters. Okay. Now, if I ask you what are letters, different type of signs that we write is known as letters. Here sign means in English alphabet, this chapter sign means ABCD sign. Okay. Here sign means ABCD. Okay. Now, so the sign, the different type of sign that we write is known as letter. The different type of sign that we write is known as what? That is known as letter. And the sign here is ABCD sign. Okay. Now, next, how many types of letters are there? There are two types of letters, capital letter and small letter. There are two types of letters. Okay. Capital letter and small letter. See, this is capital letter. You can see in your book also, you have in your book. And this is, and the next is, this is small letter. See, you can see in your book this also. You have, and everyone knows capital letter and small letter, I think. You have learnt it in your previous classes. It's not a new thing for you. Okay. It's just a revision. Capital letter and small letter. Now, so we know there are 26 letters. ABCD you count, you will find there are 26 letters. And how many types of letters are there? Two types of letters, capital letter and small letter. And next what comes? Next the thing comes, that is alphabetical order. What is alphabetical order? Okay. Now, letters and words arrange in alphabetical order. Okay. What is alphabetical order? Now, letters and words. Letters and words, when we write in order of alphabet, is known as alphabetical order. Now, letters and words. Now, remember, listen very nicely. Letters or words, when we write in order of alphabet, is known as alphabetical order. Okay. So, what is alphabetical order? Letters or words in order of alphabet is known as alphabetical order. Okay. Now, I'll show you one thing. Now, see. Alphabetical order. What is this? First is alphabetical order. Okay, alphabetical. Now, see. A, B, C, D, E, F. This is what? This is alphabetical order. So, this is tick mark, right? Okay. Can you see? Now, B, E, F, A, D, C. Is this alphabetical order? No. So, I have here crossed. Okay. So, A, B, C, D order is known as alphabetical order. And this is not alphabetical order. So, this is crossed. Same way, see the pictures. Apple. A. B. Ball. C. Cap. D. Doll. E. Egg. F. Fish. G. Gun. H. Hat. So, this also in alphabetical. These pictures are also in what? These pictures are also in alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, these pictures also in alphabetical order. So, if I ask you what is alphabetical order? Letters or word in order of alphabet is known as alphabetical order. Okay, in order of, when letters and words written in order of alphabet is known as alphabetical order. Okay. Now, alphabetical order is also known as dictionary order. Okay, alphabetical order is also known as what? Dictionary order. Now, first you know what is dictionary. Do you know what is dictionary? Dictionary is a book where we can find all the meanings of any type of words. Okay, any type of words. If you don't know the meaning, you search in the dictionary, you will find the meaning of that word. So that is known as a dictionary. Dictionary is a book where we can find all types of meanings. Okay, in the dictionary also you will find the pages are in alphabetical order. In dictionary, the pages are in what? Alphabetical order. First all the words with A comes, then all the words with B, then C, then D, all the words in alphabetical order. That is known as dictionary. So alphabetical order is also known as dictionary order. Alphabetical order is also known as what? Dictionary order. Okay, now see. See, this is what? Alphabetical order. See your book. The first exercise. Put each alphabet set in alphabetical order. This is set of letters. This is all not in alphabetical order. You have to write in alphabetical order. So first one is MRCI. Is this alphabetical order? No. What will be the order? CIMR. Same UKXQ. This is not alphabetical order. So what will be the order? KQUX. Same this way, see, DLJUP. Now this is not alphabetical order. So DJLUP is alphabetical order. This one rest, you can do it by yourself. This is a self practice for yourself. You can try it here by yourself. Okay, this you can do it by yourself for your self practice. Okay, now next, see this page. See the pictures. First is ant, bag, camel, dog, elephant, fish, gate, hammer, injection, jam, king, leaf, monkey, nest, owl, pan, queen, ring, ship, tap, umbrella, violin, window, x-ray, yak, zebra. So these pictures are all in alphabetical order. See, A to Z. These are in alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, C. Okay. Now this one will be your homework. See the box here. Can you see the box over here? There are many words are there with A to Z alphabets. A, B, C, D, all letters you can see words. First is ant. Then you can see ant, bag. So see the letters. Tap, jam, owl, yak, king. Ant, bag, leaf, pan, ring. Nest, gate, dog, x-ray. Zebra, violin, sheep, camel. Fish, queen, window, monkey. Umbrella, hammer, elephant, injection. Now this one, this is the box. In this box there are many words are there. So you have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. First with A what comes? Ant. Then with B, bag. Then with C, camel. You have to find it out. C. Then with D, what comes? D, there is dog. Then E, elephant. Then F, you find out with F which odd letter words come. F. Then G, H. This one will be a homework. In your copy, you have a school copy, you will do this ABCD in alphabetical order. You will write the words in alphabetical order. This will be your homework. And you will write capital letter and small letter. 2 times you will write capital letter in your copy and 2 times you will write small letter in your copy. Okay, this will be your homework. Okay, so this is the first chapter. Okay, so what have you learned today? What have you learned today? Now let us revise once more. Okay, the sign that we write is known as letters. If I ask you what are letters, each sign that we write is known as letters. Which kind of sign? ABCD sign is known as letters. Okay, each sign that we write is known as letters. What type of sign? That is ABCD sign is known as letters. Now, how many alphabets are there in English? There are 26 alphabets are there in English. How many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabets. Okay. How many types of letters are there? There are 26. There are 2 types of letters. Sorry, there are 2 types of letters. Capital letter, small letter. Okay. Capital letter and small letter. Now, what is alphabetical order? Okay. Words or letters in order of alphabet is known as alphabetical order. Okay. So, if I ask you what are letters, each sign that we write is known as letters. ABCD. What type of sign? If I ask you, you will write ABCD sign. How many letters are there? There are 26 letters. How many types of letters are there? There are 2 types of letters, capital letter and small letter. What is alphabetical order? Letters or words in order of alphabet is known as alphabetical order. Alphabetical order is also known as dictionary order. Okay. Now let us revise once more. What are letters? Each sign that we write is known as letters. What type of sign? A, B, C, D sign. This is letter. Next is, how many letters are there? There are 26 letters. How many letters are there in English alphabet? There are 26 letters in English alphabet. How many types of letters are there? We said there are two types of letters. Capital letter, what are they? That is capital letter and small letter. What is alphabetical order? Letters or words in order of alphabet is known as alphabetical order. That is ABCD order. Alphabetical order is also known as dictionary order. Alphabetical order is also known as dictionary order. Okay. This is the first chapter. Okay. Clear? The first chapter is English alphabet. Now, what are letters? Let me ask you a few questions. What are letters? What type of letters do you write? Now next is, how many types of letters are there? How many alphabets are there in English? What is alphabetical order or dictionary order? So you know the answers. I think it is clear. Let me revise once more. Each sign that we write is known as letters. What type of sign? A, B, C, D sign. That is letters, number 1. Number 2, how many alphabets are there in English? There are 26 alphabets in English. Okay. We have 26 letters. We call them alphabets. So how many letters are there? There are 26 letters or alphabets are there in English. Now, how many types of letters are there? Two types of letters. What are they? Capital letter and small letter. What is alphabetical order? Letters or words in order of alphabet is known as alphabetical order. Alphabetical order is also known as dictionary order. So how many questions? What are letters? How many letters are there? How many alphabets are there? What is alphabetical order? Clear? These are the questions. Now you revise. Okay. I think it is clear. And your homework will be, you will write capital letter ABCD 2 times in your copy and small letter ABCD 2 times in your copy. You have English copy? Now, and this one will be your homework. This one will be your homework for this one. This from the box, you find out ABCD alphabetical order. You will write A word with A, B, C, D. You find out and you will write the words in alphabetical order. This one will be your homework. Clear? So the first chapter is English alphabet, and this for today this much. Okay, and I think it is clear. Okay, so please do your homework. Thank you.